Why do I want to have this conversation? Because I'm sure 100% there is going to be a regime change in Kenya. We are going to have a new government, and we want to start preparing our partners in the new administration. Yeah? There is no need for us to wait when we have sent Ruto home, then I start coming to ask you how we can work together. Since we are sure ataenda nyumbani. Yeah? Kwani hapa ni one term? Hapa ni one term? What do you mean? Here in the States? In Boston? It's one term? Let me test nione kama ni kwata. Aya, Harambee. Wewe Ruto. Wewe Kasongo. Wewe Kaongo. Wewe Zakayo. Wewe mtu ya kutenga. Wewe harabu shamba. Wewe mwizi. Wewe muuaji. Aende asiende? Atembee asitembee? No, nimekubali hapa ni one time. Everybody is up in arms. And it's a Kenyan problem all of us must fix. So before I can ask you to bring your investment home, please let us work together and first fix the governance. And there are no two ways about it. One term. One term. And I want to, when I'm here, to tell William Ruto and his boys, I've seen they are all over the country castigating me because of one term. One term has nothing to do with Rigiji. It's a decision and the mood of the Kenyan nation. All Rigiji did was to look for an appropriate slogan to describe the way the people of Kenya are feeling. Rigiji is just creative, isn't it? Yeah. Rigiji, being a student of literature, he studied the mood of the country, what people have decided, and summarized it in one word, one term. But it's not me. I am here. In the US, one term is still going on.